In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Canva account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using a shared computer or just want to make sure your information stays secure, signing out of your account is an essential habit to develop. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to be logged into your Canva account. Make sure you're on the home page or any page where you can see your dashboards, like the Your Designs section. Now, locate your profile icon. It's typically at the upper right corner of your screen and is represented by either your profile picture or your initials. This area acts as a gateway to your account settings and provides quick navigation to account related features, including signing out. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. A drop down menu should instantly appear. This menu offers several options, such as your account settings, help, and of course the sign out option, which is what we're focusing on today. This step is crucial because Canva needs to identify the account holder in order to present account-specific settings and options. Now within this drop-down menu, look for the sign out option. It might be labeled simply as sign out or log out depending on updates or regional settings. It's usually found near the bottom of this menu, so you may need to scroll slightly if you have a lot of sections in your drop-down. Carefully click on sign out. Once you've clicked sign out, Canva will log you out and you'll be redirected to the home page or the sign in page. This is a confirmation that you've successfully signed out of your account. Take a moment to ensure you're back to the login screen, as this verifies that your personal information is no longer accessible to anyone else who might use the device after you. Remember, signing out is a good practice, especially when you're using public or shared devices, as it protects your creative works and personal data from unauthorized access. It's always better to play it safe and log out if you're stepping away from the computer for any extended period. And that's it, signing out of Canva is really that simple and quick. Once you get the hang of it, it'll become second nature. I hope this guide helps you navigate your Canva account with more confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy designing.